Making your Samsung Smart TV faster is easy with a few simple steps. Here's how you can boost its performance. Start by turning off unnecessary apps running in the background. Press the Home button, go to Settings greater than General, greater than Quick Settings, and disable apps you don't use often. Clearing the cache can also help. Go to Settings greater than Support, greater than Device Care, greater than Reset Cache to free up memory. Next, update your TV's software. Go to Settings greater than General, greater than Software. Update greater than Update Now to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. If your TV still feels slow, consider resetting it to factory settings. Back up your data first, then go to Settings greater than General, greater than Reset, greater than Factory Reset. Disconnect unused external devices like USB drives or gaming consoles, as they can slow down connections. Lastly, close apps properly instead of minimizing them, and avoid installing too many apps at once. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.